We're doing it on Omega, episode 434, part 1. SWORDSOUL versus everybody's favorite deck, Mystic Mind Burn. Here we go. I go first, but I lose the first one, and I come back. Emergence, Moye, Reveal, Blackout, get that tuner token into Yugioh. Chainlink 1, Chainlink 2, Moye is gonna draw a card. Drawing Ash, Yugioh is gonna add Long. Long, discard the Blackout, get that level 4 tuner token into Baron. Long is gonna burn for 12. Fusion Destiny for Enforcer. And I thought it was good right here. D-Shifter. Once I could negate, Omni negate. No D-Shifter for him. Pot of Prosperity. Ashton. Any Mystic Mine. I'm gonna chain it with Enforcer. I'm gonna pop itself, pop the mine. He's coming back in this standby phase. He has another mine. That's it was back and forth with Cauldron of the Old Man, and I just decided to scoop. We could speed this up here. We could speed it right up. What was I trying to do? I was trying to get Blackout, SWORDSOUL Blackout, so I could pop that token and pop. Now I can't because there's field barrier there. Yeah, Solemn Strike set, Solemn Judgment. I thought I was gonna be able to Joel and Lockbird, but Mystic Mine. I just decided to scoop. I was gonna die. Jeez. Part 2. Oh, we could slow this down a bit. There we go, that's my starting hand right here. Let's check out his starting hand. Oh, he's got Mystic Mine off the hop with a Gamma. Oh, some Ecclesia is gonna Gamma it, and I'm gonna Ash his Gamma. Ecclesia is gonna get Moye. Fusion for Enforcer. Enforcer, I'm gonna pop both of them. Enforcer's coming back. I did that so Ecclesia can come back. Standby phase, Enforcer comes back. It's gonna Extrav, draw 2, plant Pathfinder before he could even use its effect Tribute to add a field spell, but he already had it in the hand. So Mystic Mine, Cauldron of the Old Man, Silent Wabi, Silent Wabi. Emergence. I sided in some Cyclones. What is that? Triple Cyclone? Triple Cyclone, and Evenly. Got rid of those for Verte. Cauldron of the Old Man is going to. Once per turn, during a standby phase, you place one counter on this card. Once per turn, you can activate one of these effects. Gain 500 life points for each counter on this card, or inflict 300 damage to your opponent. One of these effects. I'm gonna gain Oh no, he just kept dealing 300. Cosmic Cyclone. Solemn Judge. Jeez. It's getting close. Emergence for long. Another Mystic Mine. Jesus Christ. Well, right here I screwed up. So attribute to set. To set. In order for me to do the blackout, this guy has to be face up. Field barrier, oh my god. Flip summon, then I blackout. Destroy and then destroy those two. I'm not sure if I would have tried to destroy this and that, I don't think it would have happened. So I destroyed both of those. Turn 14 field barrier. Somehow I win this. Some people would just scoop, but this was game 2 and I'm like, I already scooped game 1, so I don't want to lose. Scoop game 1 right away so we could side in. And I set the evenly because I thought I could activate it, but I have to have no cards. Yeah. Damn it. So he has more cards than me. Battle. Evenly. He gets rid of the what's it called? Field barrier. Protecting the field spell. Jeez, I'm getting low on life points here. I don't even know what that was. What? The hell was that card? Oh my, oh, you can see his cards there. Okay. Did that go back? Oh yeah, okay. That's what happened. Lot of prosperity. Can I pause this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got the blackout. Roll summon tie in the blackout. Cauldron. I was waiting. I probably should have just popped it. End phase. I popped that. Enforcer pop. It's coming back. 700 life points left. Holy crap. Enforcer. Normal summon incredible effect. It's gonna gamma it. Damn. He puts the driver in attack. I was able to do this guy. Oh, I can special summon since he has more special summon, but I've already used its effect, so I can't tribute it. Long for long. Discard. Token, tuner, Baron, long, burn for 12, summit, tie, banish, and then I think, yeah, I screwed up here. I increased its level by 1, and he's scoped. Let's do this. Game 3. I kind of screwed up. Yeah, he had no monsters. I got rid of all the monsters. He had Mystic Mind said if I would have ended the turn, Mystic Mind would have been gone. But I summoned a monster. Oh, let's take a look. No Mystic Mind, okay. Now there's Mystic Mind. Cauldron of the Old Man, Cauldron of the Old Man, gonna burn. I take half because of prosperity. Activates mine and field barrier. Field spells cannot be destroyed. Neither player can activate new field spells. Field spell cards, you can only control one field barrier. Mystic Mine, oh, thought it was gonna be destroyed, but field barrier. Emergence. Oh yay. What's going on here? Oh, look at that. I could just pause that. Put that out one. Blackout, yes. Evenly. It's gonna keep the... See, right here. Right here. If I would have just ended my turn. But no, I didn't. Fucking stupid. That's okay, I'll just normal summon set so you can still have it on. Extrav. Oh, I was like, oh, can I ash that? No, Mystic Mine. And I can't even activate Blackout right now because target one worm and 2 cards. Your opponent, not up to 2, it has to be 2. Prosperity. How much did I banish? I think 3. 3 or 6. Let's check it out. Yeah, 3. Cosmic Cyclones, yes. Cosmic Cyclone activate. Pay 1000. Banish. Oh. I was gonna long. Discard the Blackout. And he was going to Gamma Ash it. Long. Token level 4. Tuner. Row. Long is gonna get negated. Ash only negates the effect, not the activation. Right here, I wanted to should I blackout pop, but I can still pop with Barone, pop, attack, and then for 3k. If I would have used blackout to pop 3k, but I would only have 1 monster on the field, so this way I'll still have 2 monsters. Pot of Prosperity. That's using all of his oh, Mystic Mine. Yeah, I was waiting for the once while this card is face up effect. Omni negate. He activates it. Barone. Negated. Joel and Lockbird. Oh, summon Joel and Lockbird. Going to Verte, pay 2000, copy Fusion Destiny. Dump Dasher and Celestial for Enforcer. Battle. Triple attack. It's gonna set. End phase, I will pop. What the fuck happened there? I popped him. Oh, a Fusion Destiny. Let's duel wins. Okay. Let's see if he has a deck. He does have a deck. 4-3-4. Oh, 4-3-4. Okay. We were at 288 or 1288, 1306. 434. Let's check it out. 434. Let the nut decking begin. Why is the other one way over here? What the? It's got Waking the Dragon. Okay. 264, still at 264. Comment, share, like if you sub it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.